Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring a 1956 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz convertible. This Eldorado is finished in white over turquoise and white interior. It represents one of only 2,150 Biarritz convertibles ever made, and it's fully optioned with power coming from a 365 cubic inch 2x4 carbureted V8 engine. The Cadillac Eldorado gained additional success in their second generation design, mainly due to the lowering of the overall cost for buyers. They lowered the cost by utilizing the same standard body panels as their other models and identifying the Eldorado with specific body trim, gold emblems, and aluminum panels. Since the Eldorado's inception, it was only available in convertible form, so by 1956 a new hardtop version called the Eldorado Seville was added to the model lineup. This renamed the convertible models the Eldorado Biarritz. Both styles were quite rare, with 4,900 Sevilles and 2,150 Biarritz produced in 1956. These accounted for just 4% of Cadillac sales. It marks a rare opportunity to own a very special piece of early Eldorado Biarritz history. Hey guys, super quick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.